iabot mo sa amin ang baston ng iyong habag.
Michael De La Cruz. I'm a dentist from California. At present, we are here in Isabela, Negros Occidental. Beside me is my wife. We have our ministry. We call it Operation Hope International. And it started since 2006. And since then, we've been coming to the Philippines once a year, except during the 3 years of pandemic, COVID pandemic. Our mission is to do what Christ did. We are trying to pattern the ministry and the ministry of Christ, where He came here to preach the gospel. He came here to teach how to live a Christian life, and He came here to heal. And spiritually, physically, praise the Lord for all these opportunities, and may the glory goes to Him.
We cannot say enough word to thank you.
Tunay ng pasasalamat at binigyan ng Panginoon ng pagkakataon sa dakilang gawain ito.
On behalf of the people of Isabela, gusto namin magpasalamat sa OHI for choosing Isabela to be the venue of their extensive medical mission.
Thank you, OHI, for this opportunity.
Thank you, Operation Hope International. Mabuhay!
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, OHI!